Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Ad Invest. There are too many products in financial markets. Financial geeks call them instruments. It is very easy to get confused by these products, and where to put hard-earned money is always a big question for new earners. These products can be broadly classified in 4 buckets. In this video, I will explain those buckets in very simple terms. There are 2 most important questions that comes in mind when money is given to someone. The money could be given to bank, insurance company or even friends or relatives. These 2 questions are: what am I going to get in return? And when? To put it in financial terms, what is the rate of return and what is the duration? Rate of return and duration can be fixed or it can vary. Let's start with the most basic one. Fixed income. This is bucket 1. Here I know exact amount that I am going to receive and the exact date on which I am going to get the money. Bank deposits like FD, RD, that is recurring deposits, Post Office National Savings Scheme, Kisan Vikas Patra are classified as fixed income. Now the second bucket. Government lock-in security. This is where duration of the deposit is fixed but the return amount is not fixed at the start. Government lock-in securities include Employee Provident Fund EPF, National Pension Scheme NPS, Sukanya Samriddhi and Public Provident Fund PPF. PPF has 15 years of lock-in, EPF and NPS has lock-in till retirement. Now there are other products that fall into this category. They are called derivatives. Futures, options, swaps, swaptions, forward etc. falls into this bucket. The third bucket is the one where return amount is not known upfront and the duration is also not fixed. Common stock, also known as shares, ETF, mutual funds fall into this category. The buckets we discussed so far are used to invest. That means money put in these 3 buckets is supposed to grow over time. Now comes the 4th bucket. It is called insurance. Money put in the bucket has fixed return, but the duration is not fixed. No one can predict death or accident. Hence, the duration is not fixed, but the amount insured is fixed upfront. Term insurance, vehicle insurance, health insurance, accidental insurance are examples. Young people should have money put in all 4 buckets, but in a very balanced way. For the people who are closer to retirement, should have most of their money in fixed deposits or government-issued securities. Hope you learned something from this video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Namaskar.